in my previous video, I said I would be doing a box braid tutorial. Alright, so I started off with pre-washed hair. I put some products in there. The products I used was Shea Moisture. There it is. The other one I used was hair and scalp conditioner with conditioning olive oil and vitamin E. It's called TBC Naturals. Right there. There you go. That's what it looks like. I'm using my red tail comb to make these parts. So I'm just gonna make a part right here. I don't really like my braids that long, so I usually cut it in half. Oh, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 bundles right here. By the way, y'all, this is Essence. I didn't even know that this is Essence. Okay, so this is the full bundle with the rubber band on it. So I usually cut it. I fold it in half and I cut it. So now that I know I want medium parts, I'm gonna part my hair in the back. Now I'm gonna oil my scalp with this again so that I'll make sure I'm getting the roots and it won't be so dry when I put the hair in. When I do my box braids, I usually do the rubber band method. So, oh man, I dropped it. You should take a rubber band and then tie your hair in a rubber band. Don't do it too tight or you will not be able to sleep at night. So do it kind of loose. Not get this much hair. Make your hair match your parts. Don't forget to stretch the hair. I like to do mine each individual. You can stretch it by bundle, but I like to do piece by piece because I know that it gets a good stretch like this. And then you take the hair and I'm gonna do it slowly for you. Put the box braid hair, like put the essence over it like this and make it into a braid. And then braid down like this. I'm gonna do it again in case you guys couldn't see. If I'm having trouble like blending my hair with the braiding hair, I take a little bit of beeswax. Then I just take some, blend it with my hair, rub it in with your fingers. Take some, blend it with my hair, and then braid down with it. Keep going. And then it blends really well with the hair. So that way you don't have pieces of your hair sticking out. Just make the rubber band tighter in the beginning before you start. So now I'm gonna give you guys another example of the second one in case like I had a bad angle or you couldn't see what I was doing or my hand was in the way. Right back with you guys. This is what it looks like so far. And make sure you don't make it too tight around y'all edges because you know you don't want your stuff falling out. And so I'm gonna come back again when I'm finished with this side and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So stop dripping at least. And I'm gonna come back and put my hair jewelry on, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what the finished product looks like. Okay, you guys, I told you guys I would show you guys the finished product. So this is what it looks like, all done with the hair jewelry in there. Subscribe and let me know what you guys think, and feel free to comment like what other videos you guys would like for me to do. I have the next video of what I wanted to do in mind, so if you guys do comment below, then I'll do whatever you guys would like for me to do. But yeah, this is the finished look, and you guys don't have to have like the jewelry. You can have whatever you want, but this is just what I wanted for my hair. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Adios.